Spring break from Disney World. Let's head inside the Magic Kingdom and check it out. But before we begin, we publish theme park videos on this channel all the time. So hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you'll know when another video is ready for you to view. So here is the plan for today. It is spring break here in Orange County. All like the public schools are on spring break. I think last week was UCF, but I think today we're gonna go explore the Magic Kingdom, see what the wait times are, what the crowds are for spring break 2019. But before we do that, I do have a warning for you guys that drive to the Magic Kingdom. Unlike the other parks in the area, which once you get out of the car, you're in the park having fun in like 5 to 10 minutes. The time that it took me from the moment I stepped out of my car to scan into the park was about 30 minutes. That has to do with the transportation and parking system that they have here, where you park the car and then you have to take like the ferry boat or the monorail over to the park. So don't get too excited when you step out of your car, because you're still about 30 minutes away from having your fun. Now, despite the crowds, I did manage to get a couple fast passes for my favorite rides, but my first fast pass doesn't end for like 45 minutes. So let's go into Tomorrowland right now and check out the wait time for Space Mountain. Here we are, 11:30 on a Monday morning, the first day of spring break for the local schools. The standby for Space Mountain is 80 minutes. Honestly, 80 minutes is not too bad. I've seen worse. Let's go check on the Carousel of Progress. Check that wait time. Well, the crowd for the Carousel of Progress is pretty small. It looks like we can get right onto that ride, so that one's not too bad. So there is no wait time listed for the People Mover, but the line is pretty long. Take a look at this line. Way back here is the start of it for the People Mover. The attendant here said the wait time's about a 25-minute wait for this today. And the Monsters Incorporated Laugh Floor has a 25-minute standby right now. And looking at the Astro Orbiter wait time, it is now a 45-minute wait for this ride. And with the Tomorrowland Speedway being closed, that's it for Tomorrowland. I think I'm gonna make my way to my Fast Pass right now. Along my way to my Fast Pass, which is in Frontierland, let's check on the wait time for the Mad Tea Party, the Teacups, which is a 30-minute wait right now. Yeah, I thought it'd be more fun to show you the actual ride than the sign, right? Well, here's the big test for wait times today. 145 minutes for the Mine Train. Okay guys, I really need to hustle to my Fast Pass now. Anything that I miss, I'll double back and get later. And FYI, this is the only time I'm not in Mosey mode, is when I'm trying to get to a Fast Pass. I have to admit though, the crowd levels seem worse than the wait times. Based on the crowd levels, I would expect the wait times to be a little worse than what they are. But then again, we haven't quite reached the 12 o'clock hour. It is still in the morning. Wait times will get worse in the afternoon. Not the best weather to start spring break with. A high of only 68 today. No rain, but it is very overcast. Well, this is embarrassing. I can't remember if my first Fast Pass is for Splash Mountain or Big Thunder Mountain. Let me go check. Regardless of which one I have first, the standby wait for Splash Mountain is 60 minutes. The Fast Pass is for Splash Mountain. Let's get a little splashed. Alright, for the first time ever, I chickened out with filming that. I'm in the front row. I never sit in the front, so I protected the camera that time. What do you guys think? Did you like it? We liked it! Okay, I'm going to put up the picture of the drop right now, and I must admit, as I said previously, I did chicken out in filming the drop this time. I was sitting in the front row. I never sit in the front row, so I didn't know how the splash was going to be. So I was more interested in protecting the camera this time, particularly the microphone. If water gets in the microphone, it's just not going to sound right. So, sorry about that, I chickened out. But here is something new to note. I've never seen this before. Ziploc has created some themed baggies for this ride to put your iPhones in, and they were handing these out for people to use if they chose to. And I chose to do it for my iPhone. But pretty cool, a little themed zippity doodah bag. Awesome. I'm gonna keep that bag. I'm gonna pack Nikki's lunch in it one day. And you know what? Getting off the ride is jumped up 10 more minutes to a 70-minute wait. And you know what else? It's not raining, but it is a little misty. Since I chickened out of filming on the ride, let me give you a gratuitous shot of Splash Mountain splashing down. Well, the standby wait for Big Thunder Mountain is at 65 minutes right now, but I do have a fast pass. And the start of the line for Big Thunder Mountain is way over here right now. There's the end of the line. Whoops, I got 40 minutes to my fast pass, so let's backtrack and get you some of those other wait times that I passed on getting over here. So the Haunted Mansion wait time is a spooky, scary 90 minutes. Now the wait time is 20 minutes on the board for It's a Small World, but a cast member was walking around telling people online that it was moved to 45 minutes. And the wait time for Peter Pan's flight is up to 100 minutes. And I should note, this little mist has turned into a full-blown sprinkle. So I tell you what we're going to do now. Let's check on some of the more kiddie rides. Let's see what the kid ride wait times are right now on a Monday, the first day of spring break. To start with, let's take a look at Goofy's Barnstormer ride as it flies through the billboard here. And it looks like we're going to have like a 45-minute wait for this kid ride. Next up, we have Dumbo the Flying Elephant, a 60-minute wait to take a turn on this ride. And then lastly, The Adventures of Winnie the Pooh is going to be a 50 to 55-minute wait today. But Rick, what about meet and greets? Well, to meet our favorite princess, Ariel, that's our household's favorite princess, is a 35-minute wait right now. Yeah, my oldest daughter is a redhead. That's why we love Ariel. What about Ariel's ride, Under the Sea? Today, right now, it is a 50-minute wait to go on this ride. Want to meet some other princesses other than Ariel? It is a 30-minute wait for Cinderella and some of the, Rapunzel and some of the other princesses. 30 to 35 minutes for this one. Mickey's PhilharMagic, just 15 minutes right now. Well, I'll tell you what, when I haven't been in mosey mode and I've had to do some bobbing and weaving because the walking around crowds have been pretty busy today, pretty crowded. But as for now, into Adventureland to check on the wait times for the major rides in here. The Swiss Family Robinson Treehouse, never really a wait, like 5 minutes today. It's just a walk-through attraction to check out the treehouse. I wouldn't call the Magic Carpets a major attraction, but it is a 50-minute wait right now. If that one's 50 minutes, what do you think the Jungle Cruise is going to be right now? Plus 30? 50 plus 30? That's what I'm going with. And I was right. An 80-minute wait. It's amazing how I got that right. No cheating. I didn't cheat. All right, okay. I peeked a little bit. I knew it was 80 minutes. Inside Adventureland, so you know what that means. We have to check on Pirates of the Caribbean. It is a 50-minute wait for Pirates of the Caribbean, so the same wait time for the Magic Carpets of Aladdin and Pirates. I find that pretty interesting. I would think the Pirates of the Caribbean would have been a little bit higher. You know what? There's no wait time for it, but let's check on the line for the Dole Whip. And actually, it's not too bad. I've seen worse. Even though the line doesn't look too bad, I still recommend use the mobile order app to get your Dole Whip. Holy moly, what am I doing? I shouldn't make my way to the castle. I totally forgot I have a fast pass for Big Thunder Mountain. Let's go there. Let's walk with the riverboat over to my ride, which, by the way, the weather's starting to turn again. The sprinkles and the mist is back. Well, now that I have returned back to Big Thunder Mountain, the standby is 100 minutes. So I am really appreciating that fast pass today.
Because this here's the wildest ride in the wilderness!
guys, I think we're going to call it a day. I don't know if I got everything. I feel like I got all the major stuff. If I missed something, let me know in the comments below. But as for now, I have a birthday dinner to get to. It is my oldest, Caitlin's. It is her 21st birthday today. So that makes me think of something. If you find yourself in one of these 100-minute lines as a family, hey, you know what? Kids, talk to your parents. Parents, talk to your kids. You know why? They don't stay kids forever. And with that being said,
I'm Lila. I'm Erin. I'm Caitlin. Don't miss the magic, don't miss the fun.
Thanks for watching Rick's Flicks. And now, let's relax to some Coke shoutouts. All right, how about some viewer shoutouts? This is where we take a moment to thank those viewers who have took the time to buy us a cup of coffee or a butterbeer recently. First up, I need to say thank you to Jason and Amy. Thanks, guys. And here's a big thank you to Larry Gans. Thank you so much, Larry. He's always commenting on the videos as well. Next up, we have Megan. Thank you for the butterbeer or the coffee, Megan. Next up, we have the Guy family. Thank you so much, guys. We also need to give a shout out to the Castro family. Thanks for supporting the channel. And lastly, a spotter of the Hidden Ricky this week is Pat Rinker. Good job spotting that Hidden Ricky.